Intelligent.
Casper, I left that game. I'll join back.
Well, how come I missed so terribly bad? Ah! Ooh! Freaking curve that crap around!
Get out of there.
Oh,
Touch.
yes.
So many hits on him.
Taking out
I
helicopters.
haven't hit him yet. Oh crap, there's a tank right there! No wonder. Oh yeah, you need to go back to B and capture B.
Oh, I got the jet! And a freaking tank!
Garrett,
Oh no.
What?
I need to get Super Mario 3.
Oh, another helicopter! Fuck helicopter!
God. What are you doing, Casper?
Just killed a jet and a helicopter.
I prematurely blew my.
Oh, again! Ooh!
His butthole out.
I don't like squirrels. Oh, I got him in the freaking air, both of them!
Come to. Oh, we better back away. I have a feeling that building's bridge is about to break.
So?
Surprise!
Oh!